Hello everyone, welcome to RMoney. So while trading through Tradetron, you might see an error while deploying this strategy. To understand what went wrong, Tradetron provides a very useful feature called notification logs. In this video, we are going to learn how you can access that and use the notification log feature to understand the error. So first of all, you have to log in into your Tradetron account. Click on the strategy option and now click on Open Deployed Strategy. Here you can see a list of all the strategies you have deployed in your account. All you have to do is to click on this three-dot option and select notification log. Once you do that, you have to select the timeline as per your choice. You can either do that based on the previous 24 hours, whatever you want. And once you do that, click on filter. Here you will see the exact reason for the error. For example, like in this particular notification log, you can see that there is margin shortfall. It means that the user didn't have the sufficient balance in their account at the time of order execution, so the trade could not be placed. And if there is an error which you are not familiar with, simply take a screenshot like this, send it to your dedicated RMoney advisor, or you can send it to Tradetron support team as well. Once you do that, it will help them to quickly identify the issue and resolving it, so you can trade smoothly without any interruption. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.